People often ask, so when's the right time to call you in? And the answer that I tell everybody is immediately. Call us first. If it's an emergency situation, call 911 and then call us. I got a call this morning from a homeowner who was recommended to us by her contractor because she has a clogged waistline that caused a toilet on her second floor to overflow. This is a very active situation, hasn't been mitigated yet. It's still soaking wet, it's still dripping. Let me give you an idea of what a toilet overflow can look like. So here's the culprit toilet. Company was out, they did get to the problem and they unclogged the line, so it went back down. But here, as you'll see, is a residual of what's left. This is very literally bits and pieces of toilet paper and dirty category 3 water throughout their entire second floor, going into every room. These are hardwood floors, are all going to have to come up. That's not the worst of it though. Went downstairs, and as you can see now, it's raining through every ceiling. It's downstairs in the dining room. You can see the result coming down through the ceiling. Tile floor soaking wet. Hardwood floor soaking wet. More in the ceiling. Raining down through her cabinets. I'm going to the hallway. This is the bathroom below. So as you can imagine, this was hit pretty hard, and there's a water pocket there in the ceiling that's actively dripping. Down into every door jamb, into every bedroom. I'm going to go into their living room now. Might be difficult to tell, but that is a light fixture that is loaded with water. Hardwood floor is soaking wet. Coming down the light fixture and the stairs. Now I'm going to take you down to the basement. Unfortunately, there is no part of this house that was spared. People ask me, do you get dirty? Yeah, I get dirty. Sometimes I get wet too. I can tell you, this isn't clean water that's raining down here right now. All the way down the ceiling, floor, storage closet. All this stuff is soaking wet. So we're also going to have to work with the mitigation company and sort through the wet contents so that the stuff isn't wet, can be packed out so it can be saved. That's what's going on downstairs in the basement. Anyway, so as you can imagine, there's a lot of work to do here, and I'm going to get working right now. Thanks for watching.